All right, match number 2. Here's our singles match. Introducing first, from the underground, and Nahual. 100% all natural. Shampooed and conditioned every single day. I wish he would clean his boots, but that's a whole other story. Chuck, are we good? Thank you, sir. Yes, check him out. Not like that. Consensually, please.
I didn't consent. It's not illegal. Yeah.
You gotta check. Come on. Come on, Chucky. Chucky, come on. Grab his dick, dude.
He's packing. If that's not a cup, he's packing. All natural.
Y arriba yo, mi papá y la chona.
Ladies and gentlemen, making his way to the ring. Let's go! Hailing from Sacramento, California. He is the underground ghost. He is the bad child, the problem child. He represents the 209 and the 209 collect. Come on. 209.
Y la gente le grita.
I'm warm now. Here, are we gonna dance? Are we gonna wrestle or are we gonna dance? That's up to you. I can do both.
He can do both. Let's see you dance, Nahual.
Alright, let me check, man.
Nahual, yo creo que quieren verte a bailar.
Right here, these ones too. Hang out the dollar bills and I'll do
Oh.
I'm good. Whoa. You're good, little.
And this guy looks like he's got a whole lot of pennies.
Shake him.
Probably has a whole jar in his basement somewhere. Huh?
Bro, I got a trick. I got a trick. Oh, shit.
No. Referee Chucky doing his job a little too well there.
Did you pay him? I did not pay him. That was not me.
Let's get on rolling to match number 2. Chucky, whenever you're ready.
Ready? Ready to bail. It's a toxic work environment. Little bitch. Hold on. What was he doing? Yeah. Hey, just leave it in to me.
Something like that. Here, hold on. Let's see an encore,
Shut your
Bo.
mouth and you told me how to dance in with the dance.
Play his music.
No, hold on.
Hey, 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 hey.
Get in the corner. This is, play it again. This is how you do it.
Y gózamelo, dile.
Yeah.
Hey.
Chucky, show him. Show him.
Are we gonna see Ref Chucky? Come on, Chucky. Chucky.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, nobody likes your dance.
Chucky, save some ladies for the rest of us, will you?
He's not into those.
Oh, never mind. You know what? Whatever's your preference. That's perfectly fine.
You quit. No.
what's up? Tap out.
Do you quit?
Now you tap out.
Careful.
Ask him.
Careful.
Ask him.
Do you quit?
No.
Do you
No.
quit?
No.
Vote. Do you
Ask
quit?
him.
Vote. Do you quit?
No. No. Ask him again.
En español, do you quit?
No. Ese no es español, cabrón.
Sí. All right.
I'll snap it. I'll snap it.
No.
Give up right now.
Do you quit?
Oh.
Oh. Do you quit?
No. No. No.
Let go of the hair. Let go of the hair.
Sit down. He's going up. Come on.
Bo, I think they want to see that one more time. I think they want to see it one more time.
Come on.
One more time? Maybe not. Oh, here we go. Nahual, is your hair okay?
Is it?
Come on, get
Turn
back.
around.
Come on.
Come on!
One. Two.
I ain't gonna lie, I saw it jiggle a little bit.
Four.
What you so scared of? Oh my God!
Ma'am, that's gonna cost you $5.
You shut your mouth. I got till 10.
$5 for the other team.
Hey! Yes! Oh! Wow! Ah!
Come on, let him up. Get up. Get off of him.
We gotta start a cheek slapping jar.
Oh!
Come on, you guys. Keep going to the outside.
Back on to 10 and you shut your mouth.
Okay.
Ah!
One.
Ah!
Dos. Tres.
Ah! Ah!
Cuatro.
What did you say?
Back. Cinco.
Him? And that's for you.
Seis.
Ah!
Siete. Ocho. What's that to ocho?
Yeah.
Nueve. Oh, back to uno.
I didn't know you were butt thing. Where did that come from?
Come on.
Ah! Shut your mouth. I'm not ready.
Well,
Come back
there
to
you
me. Ah!
Uno.
Dominican, what are you talking about? Dominican. Could be Cuban.
Come on.
Oh!
Come on. Inside. Inside. Come on.
I know she's ready. I'm talking to you, sweetheart. Oh!
Oh.
Woo!
Ese culo.
Stop looking at my ass.
All right, come on. One. Hold on. Go.
till 5. I got till 5. Sí. Sí.
Uno. Dos.
You're getting a little too loud, man. You need to settle down. I agree.
All right.
Tres,
You got it, let it.
4.
Oh, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, cabrón. 1. Bajiste.
Sorry.
Rápido, puto.
Sorry. Sorry. Get out of here.
What? No boat, not right now.
He said no boats.
No. Yeah, you guys are all quiet now. No more 209 go, huh? Yeah. No one.
I think they want to see you dancing in that one.
Bring out the dollars and I'll do it.
Brother, I got 25 cents.
He's not taking nothing. Get over here!
Dos. Almost.
Oh, you got your ass up! Come on! You didn't see nothing.